In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Microsoft Excel. Working with spreadsheets often means entering descriptions, notes, or other pieces of information that are much longer than the width of a typical cell. When this happens in Excel, the text may appear to extend into the next cell if that neighboring cell is empty. However, if the cell beside it already contains data, the remaining part of the text will simply become hidden from view. Because of this, it can sometimes look like your content has been cut off, even though the full text is still inside the cell. To make everything visible and easier to read, Excel provides a simple feature called Wrap Text. Let's take a look at how it works. Imagine you have a data table where one column contains a longer description, such as a video summary or detailed note. When the text is too long for the column width, you might only see the first portion of it. This can make your spreadsheet harder to understand, especially if someone else is viewing the file. To fix this, start by selecting the cell that contains the long text. Simply click on the cell where the text is located. After selecting the cell, go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of the window. Inside the Home tab, look for the Alignment group. Within this section, you will find a button labeled Wrap Text. Click on Wrap Text. As soon as you click it, Excel will automatically adjust the content so that the text stays inside the same cell while being displayed on multiple lines. Instead of stretching across neighboring cells or being partially hidden, the entire text will now fit neatly within the boundaries of that single cell. At this point, you may notice that although the text is wrapped, not all lines are visible yet because the row height is still too small. To reveal the full content, you will need to adjust the row height. Move your cursor to the vertical panel that displays the row numbers. Place the pointer on the bottom border of the row that contains the wrapped text. When the cursor changes shape, click and drag downward to increase the height of the row until the entire text becomes visible. You can also adjust the column width in a similar way if needed. This helps create a more balanced layout and ensures that the information is easy to read. Once the text is wrapped and fully visible, you can further organize the cell by adjusting the alignment. Using the alignment options in the Home tab, you can position the text to the left, right, or center depending on how you want the information to appear in your worksheet. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.